Hello and welcome to biology class. I am Shipra Sharma from ADARSH MANDIR, SHANKAR Mount Abu. For class 12, continue our topic human health and disease. Today we will discuss about immunity and types of immunity. So first, what is immunity? Immunity is the ability of the host to fight the disease causing organism. By this immunity, we can fight against the causal organism, foreign particles which enter into our body. Now, how is immune system is developed? Our immune system is developed by the WBC, white blood cells, and lymph. Lymph is produced in the lymph nodes, and in our body, many lymph nodes are present, which secretes the lymph. And the lymphoid organs of our body are divided into two categories, that is primary lymphoid organs and the secondary lymphoid organs. Primary lymphoid organs are bone marrow and thymus. So what is thymus? Thymus is the endocrine gland which is present just near the heart. And what is the position of heart? Heart is present between the lungs. These are the lungs. And between the lungs, this space is known as mediastinum space, and near this mediastinum space, just behind the heart, the thymus gland is present. Okay, and this thymus gland is very developed in the previous years, just after the birth. But after puberty age, it will be reduced. And what is bone marrow? Bone marrow is the tissue which is present in the large bones. In the bones, the tissue is present which is known as bone marrow. And what is the function of bone marrow? It produces the blood cells, RBC, WBC, anticoagulants, all types of blood cells are produced in the bone marrow. So bone marrow and thymus are the primary lymphoid organs. And secondary lymphoid organs are the tonsils, spleen, Peyer's patches, and appendix. Tonsils are present at the throat. These are the two glands. And tonsillitis is the disease. When tonsils are swollen or inflammation is produced in the tonsils, the tissue fluid is deposited, and we feel the problem to engulfing even water also. This is known as tonsillitis, and tonsil is the lymph nodes. Spleen is the blood bank of body. It is present just near the stomach. This is the stomach, it's a part of digestive system, and near the stomach the spleen is present, and it provides the blood at the time of emergency. So it is known as the blood bank of body. And Peyer's patches are present in the intestine and appendix. Appendix is the vermiform appendix, is the part of large intestine, but it is a blind tube, and it is the vestigial organ of our body, but it provides immunity against the foreign particles. So these are the secondary lymphoid organs. Now we come to the MALT. What is MALT? MALT is the mucosal associated lymphoid tissue, and lymphoid tissue located within the lining of the major tracts. Major tracts means respiratory tract, digestive tract, urogenital tracts, or are lined by the mucosal associated lymphoid tissues, and they constitute about 50% of lymphoid tissues in our body. Now we come to the types of immunity. Immunity is of two types, acquired and innate. Innate immunity is the natural immunity. It is present from the birth, and it is a non-specific. Non-specific means it acts on many organisms, not a particular organism. And acquired immunity is also known as adaptive or specific immunity. It is acquired after birth by experiences, and it is present only in the vertebrates. So it is of two types. The acquired immunity is of two types, that is active and passive immunity. What are the differences between the active and passive immunity? The active immunity is induced by the infection or by the vaccination, like BCG, DPT, OPV, all are the vaccines. So when vaccination is done in the body, then it produces the antibodies by the action of WBC. So it provides the active immunity, and passive immunity it is conferred by the introduction of antibodies directly. The antibodies in the form of tablets and injections they are given. So these are known as the passive immunity. And the second difference is the response is durable and effective in case of active immunity, but in passive immunity the response is short-lived and less effective. And in active immunity it develops after a lag period, but the passive immunity is effective immediately, just after given the tablet or the injections. Now we come to the antibody. This is the structure of antibody, the Y-shaped structure, and it is a complex glycoprotein molecule. It is made up of polypeptide chains. Here you can see the polypeptide chains, 4 polypeptide chains, 2 are light and 2 are heavy chains. And both the chains are connected by disulfide bond. These are the disulfide bond which connects light chain with heavy chain, light chain with heavy chain. And this is the antigen binding sites where the antigen is recognized and binded. So this is about the immunity system. Thank you.